Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why your acne scars stubbornly remain, despite all the creams and trendy treatments you've tried? Perhaps you've been following popular routines only to see no lasting results. Today, we're here to dive deep into the science behind acne scars, reveal the common mistakes you might be making, and share expert-approved solutions to truly transform your skin. Let's begin by understanding how acne scars form. Acne starts when your pores become clogged with excess oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. While not every pimple leaves a mark, when inflammatory acne occurs, especially if you squeeze or pick at it, your skin gets damaged. During the healing process, your body produces collagen to repair this damage. However, if too much collagen is produced, you end up with raised, bumpy scars. If too little is made, you might see depressed or pitted scars. And remember, acne scars are not the same as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, those red or brown spots, which usually fade over time. Scar tissue is a sign of deeper structural damage that requires a different approach to treat. Now let's explore the 7 biggest mistakes that may be worsening your acne scars. Do you find yourself unable to resist popping your pimples? Although it might seem tempting, squeezing or picking at your skin forces bacteria deeper into your pores, leading to more inflammation and, ultimately, worse scarring. What to do? Instead of picking, opt for spot treatments or pimple patches and let your skin heal naturally. Keep your hands away from your face to minimize further damage. Many believe that a vigorous scrub will clear away acne and scars, but using overly abrasive products can strip your skin of its natural oils and damage its protective barrier. This often leads to increased irritation and can exacerbate scarring. What to do? Choose gentle exfoliants with alpha or beta hydroxy acids, AHAs-BJs, that promote renewal without harming your skin's delicate barrier. Use them sparingly once or twice a week to avoid overexfoliation. It's a common misconception that if your skin is oily, you shouldn't moisturize. However, neglecting hydration can force your skin to produce even more oil, worsening breakouts and scarring over time. What to do? Use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin balanced and healthy. Even oily skin needs moisture to repair and protect itself. Your diet plays a critical role in how your skin heals. Consuming too much sugar, dairy, or processed foods can trigger inflammation, leading to more severe acne and slower healing of scars. What to do? Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods into your diet. For example, omega-3 rich foods like salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds help soothe the skin. Green tea and turmeric are also fantastic natural anti-inflammatories, while foods rich in vitamin C, like berries and citrus fruits, can support collagen production. Ultraviolet rays from the sun can worsen acne scars by darkening them and slowing the healing process. What to do? Use a lightweight, acne-friendly moisturizer with built-in sun protection or a separate non-comedogenic sunscreen. Protecting your skin from the sun is essential for maintaining its overall health. High stress levels can trigger an increase in cortisol, the hormone that may worsen acne and impede your skin's ability to repair itself. What to do? Incorporate stress reduction techniques into your daily life, such as meditation, yoga, or even a brisk walk outside. These practices not only improve your overall well-being, but also support healthier skin. Many makeup products can clog pores and worsen acne if they're not formulated for sensitive or acne-prone skin. Heavy foundations or concealers might seem to cover up scars temporarily, but they can contribute to long-term issues. What to do? Opt for non-comedogenic, acne-friendly makeup that doesn't block pores. Lightweight formulas that allow your skin to breathe will help prevent further breakouts and scarring. So how can you actually fade acne scars and reveal a more radiant you? Start by focusing on boosting your skin's natural repair processes. Dermatologists recommend ingredients like vitamin C, which brightens the skin and reduces hyperpigmentation, retinol, which promotes cell turnover, and niacinamide, which helps even out skin tone while strengthening your skin barrier. Professional treatments such as microneedling and chemical peels can also jumpstart collagen production, while LED light therapy is known to reduce inflammation and accelerate healing. Let's also talk about natural remedies that have shown promising results. Aloe vera. This plant is renowned for its soothing and healing properties. It can calm irritated skin and promote regeneration. Honey. With its natural antibacterial qualities, honey helps to prevent further breakouts while encouraging the skin's natural repair. Rosehip oil. Rich in vitamins A and C, rosehip oil can gradually improve the appearance of scars and enhance skin texture. It's crucial to remember that your journey to healing is not just about following a regimen. It's about listening to your body and understanding its unique needs. Your skin is a reflection of your overall health, and every positive change you make, however small, adds up over time. Whether you're inspired by the glowing transformations of celebrities like Rihanna, or guided by the expert advice of dermatologists like Dr. Harold Lancer, the key is consistency and patience. Now, what can you do right now to kickstart your transformation? I challenge you to take one actionable step today. Write down one habit you can change. Maybe it's switching to gentler skincare products, incorporating more nutrient-rich foods into your diet, or setting aside time for stress management. Remember, every small improvement is a victory on your journey to becoming a radiant woman. Your transformation isn't just about achieving flawless skin. It's about embracing a lifestyle that nourishes you mentally and emotionally too. As you implement these changes, you'll soon notice not only smoother, more radiant skin, but also a boost in your self-confidence and overall well-being. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the causes of acne scars and the ways to fix them. If these insights have inspired you to take control of your skin, please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and share your progress in the comments below. Let's work together to redefine beauty, break free from the myths, and shine brighter every day. Remember, you deserve clear, glowing skin, and you're closer to that goal than you think.